Hello my friends, I decided to publish a video about my interaction keyboard which I created, Autodesk Maya 2018 keyboard layout for Blender 2.80. By default you cannot use Alt and right mouse button to rotate view. You can also press Alt and middle mouse button to move 3D view. Alt and right mouse button to zoom in, zoom out. I was configured this in settings, user preferences, where you have to go all settings related to polygon and rotation of the view and everything related to polygon are included in a 3D view global. You have to look for settings for polygon selection in order to select edge and deselect, because when you press on 3D grid your left mouse you no longer have selected edge. When you press and when you hold the shift you can select edges. I did the same so I can edit my polygon without any issue. You have to assign your keyboard shortcuts. Okay, what I did, select left mouse and release. You have to use release button in order to select and deselect polygon at the same time. This I think relates to selection. This one is to do with something else. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth column tells you about selection of polygon, so I will be able to use exactly the same custom keyboard layout which I was using in Blender 2.79b. I will show you. Wait, I have to open up this application. You will see in this application I got exactly this interaction keyboard layout, but for you I modified keyboard layout so you will have exactly the same setting which I applied for Blender 2.80. You can freely select your mesh and deselect when you press left mouse button here and here as well. Even if you double click you can select and deselect. So I did exactly the same with Blender 2.80, so you can do the same, because I did effort to make everything easier for you. Ctrl R, you can still use this. I have to check if Ctrl V gives me vertex settings. Ctrl F, you can still use polygon tools. Ctrl, what else? Ctrl V, Ctrl F, Ctrl A. Okay, so you can use my custom keyboard layout I created for you, and I will upload in a minute so you can import this. I will show you. You have to save this to file. Blender 2.80 keyboard custom layout presets, but just in case I will save this for you to show you. Blender 2.80 keyboard custom layout presets. I have too many files. I have to make folders a little bit bigger. You have to export your interaction keyboard layout to Python file. In order to do that export key configuration, and make sure you go to proper folder. Blender 2.80 keyboard layouts, Autodesk Maya 2017. I will leave as it is name, and once again export key configuration to different folder because I have got 2 folders. Now as it is, now you have to import this file, import key configuration, save user settings and exit. Now you have got everything has been saved. My custom keyboard layout works perfectly. I can still deselect polygons, and I can freely modify my object. Even W is for moving object, E is for rotation, R is for scaling. I made everything easier for you. This is for zooming in. I think you will find it easier. I hope you like this video, my dear friends. I did lots of work to make it easier for you because Blender already had this keyboard layout. By default it had Autodesk Maya, but completely different shortcuts I had to use. I made exactly the same as it was in Blender 2.79b. So you will be very happy after what I did. Thank you for watching my video. Let me know if you like this video and subscribe.